we're here with Golden's mask again.
Yeah, guys, I'm just behind the camera. And guys, and we have a loyal. Me and Captain America. We have a loyal.
Okay.
And the loyal is gold behind the camera. Remember her, she's Captain America.
Okay.
And if you didn't watch our last video, please watch that before you watch this one. Bye!
So, today we have this SpongeBob toy. It's a Flying Dutchman's ship. But the weird thing about it is the Flying Dutchman do not have a doesn't come with the Flying Dutchman. It comes with Pirate SpongeBob.
And
it comes with Pirate SpongeBob.
only?
Okay. So you can spin the wheel both ways. Jump on here. There's 2 foot pads for your person. And these are canyons. And then you close it back. And then walk the plank. There's a
bunker area where the people sleep.
There's a ship.
Hole. Where we keep our food.
And like supplies.
Yeah.
And
there's nothing in there now.
separate. You can buy together separate. The Flying
Sydney,
Dutchman.
move your hair. I mean Captain America.
The Flying Dutchman and Patrick. So he goes there. The Flying Dutchman goes there.
Yes. There's Patrick.
When they're under attack, these are separate too.
Yeah.
So just let me turn this.
There are the cannons, guys. I didn't get them last time. SpongeBob fell. Let me get the cannons. And there's
And
the
you
mermaid.
can put these in like that.
Okay. We have to wrap this up. Phone's dying.
Fine, Rob, you don't say that during the video.
Okay. So guys, the camera's attacking it.
Boom and boom.
It actually shot me, guys. There it is. Guys, that's the supply of our paperwork that we need.
And this.
I know.
This is what the pirate ship looks like. And buy with gold. Please. Comment down below. Subscribe to the sister channel. Hit that little bell.
Ding!
Comment down in the comment section.
What do you want us to do next? Bye!
Signing off for now.
With Captain America and Gold holding the camera.
Bye.
Bye.